What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I think a lot of people have a problem with being able to access a lot of cryptos that are maybe early stages. Because most people that ask me these things, especially in person, they're like, I have a Coinbase account or I have a Kraken account. How can I get this project? And I'm like, well, you can't get it with a Coinbase account. You can't get it with a Kraken account. You need to have something where you can access the chain directly, a DEX, a wallet, right? And they'll be like, what is that, right? How can I get that? And I'll explain to them that MetaMask is a great option. And that's where maybe some people are like, well, maybe I don't want to have another platform. You need to have CEXs as well as DEXs in your arsenal when it comes to being able to access cryptocurrency. Buy, sell, trade, swap, bridge, all of the things that you want to understand about cryptocurrency, you'll learn more about with MetaMask or a wallet than what you would learn with something like Coinbase that does everything behind the scenes. So I suggest that you guys look at the information that's down below. I'll have a link to MetaMask's website. I'll also have a link to the Chrome extension. If you guys want to just add the Chrome extension, feel free to do that. And then you can also add it to your phone if you want to, which I will add that in the description as well. So you have access to all of those things, whether you're on mobile, you're on desktop, or watching in any capacity. So we're going to be talking about MetaMask in this video because I feel like it's very, very important to understand the things that they offer and why it's more of a benefit to honestly have a lot of money in a wallet versus having money on an exchange, right? They've come to say that it's, if it's not your keys, not your crypto, right? If you're on an exchange, you don't necessarily own that crypto, even though you have it in your possession. If that exchange shuts down, you lose all of that, right? They're not backed by, the government to pay you out $250,000. However, when you have something that's on chain, you own that, right? That is yours. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Now, very simply, what is MetaMask? It is a wallet. It's a wallet extension that you can utilize to buy, sell, swap, bridge, stake cryptocurrency. Everything that you want to do, you can do it all in this one place. And it's really easy to understand, and even works with things with places like CoinMarketCap, where you can go over to CoinMarketCap and say have Jasmine that's traded on the Ethereum chain, and you can add it to MetaMask if you want to, if you have the Chrome extension. Now I do have the Chrome extension that is up and ready to go, and you could see here that you'll have Ethereum, and you can go over to the next network. You go over to BNB, and then you can see how much you have there, which I have BNB that's sitting over here. But a better view of that, right? This is a simple view of it, so then you can go into the website and you can do whatever you want to do. But the better view of that is what they have that's new, which is MetaMask Portfolio. So if you look at my entire portfolio with all the coins that I do have, breaking down the different networks that we have here. So I have 3 different networks that's sitting here, and we have all these different coins totaling about $50,000, $49,000 to be specific. And you can get a breakdown of all these different coins, whether they are heavily tradable on Coinbase or not. These are traded directly on the chain. And the good thing about MetaMask Portfolio is you have everything that you can do here. You can go and buy cryptocurrency if you wanted to. So you can have that fully set up to buy with a debit or credit card, PayPal, instant ACH bank transfer, wire transfer, Cash App. You can buy it with many different options here directly on MetaMask. So it makes it very easy for you guys to purchase, even though it may seem like in the grand scheme of things, it seems like it's more complicated. It's not. It's actually more user friendly. It's easier to do all these things because you have more options to purchase. As well as if you want to sell, you have the option to sell with PayPal, with Transact, with MoonPay. You can also swap, which means you're swapping different cryptocurrencies on certain chains. So if you have BNB, you can swap to say, you wanted to do Dogecoin or Solana or whatever you end up swapping to, you would swap to that. on that specific chain. You can also do it on direct chains there by changing to the Ethereum network, which I can switch to the Ethereum network. And then I can do that as well where I want to go from Ethereum to USDT. Now, also, one big thing that I think is something that I've been utilizing a lot more is bridging. Bridging is something where you go from one chain and you can bridge over to the next chain, which you're doing everything directly on this platform instead of you going from, having a BNB or having BNB that's over here and you can't access it on any other chain or do anything on any other chain. You can now go, okay, let me take this BNB and transfer this over to the Ethereum chain. And now I can have it on Ethereum where I really wanted it, right? Or you can have it on whatever other network that you really wanted it on. So this is something that I've been utilizing a lot while switching, let's say, BNB, BNB USDT. I'll trade that to Ethereum USDT, and I will have a seamless way of bridging those tokens over to a whole nother network. They're offering things that most people wouldn't think is possible, but is easily possible with MetaMask portfolio, with MetaMask overall. Now, one other thing that you can do that I haven't done yet is you can actually, which is in beta, you can actually link your Coinbase or Binance accounts to your portfolio to show it here so that you can see all that information there. The only reason why I haven't done it, and I wanted to do it just for this video. The only reason why I haven't done it is I always like to, for me specifically, I like to keep things, separate a little bit, just so that it forces me to go over to Coinbase and, look at that stuff rather than just see everything in one spot, which is amazing to have that access because I know a lot of people that are like, I wish I could have everything together to see my entire portfolio. And this is the thing that I have recommended 9 times out of 10, right? Probably 9.5 times out of 10. There's always that one dentist that doesn't agree for some reason. So anyways, I recommend it every single time, honestly. It's just a no-brainer as you have access to, your different portfolios here. Now, MetaMask has been my one-stop shop for definitely trading on the DEX side of things. I've had many different wallets. As you can see up here, I have, Phantom, I have Coinbase wallet, I have, the Station wallet, I have MetaMask, I also have Trust wallet. I think I have some other wallets as well. And I go back to MetaMask all the time. I have $50,000 in MetaMask. The total amount that I have in other wallets probably amounts to like $3,000 or $4,000. I have 10 times, more than 10 times, the amount on MetaMask than I do in any other wallet. And that goes to show, it shows the reason, why, right? All of these different things that it does offer. They're continuously innovating, continuously changing, and, adopting things that you wouldn't see elsewhere. So if you guys want to go ahead and check this out, if you want to give it a look, feel free to use those links down below. I will provide the link for not only MetaMask, the website, but also the Chrome extension, also the Play Store app. I will provide all of those links so that you can easily have access to this, be able to utilize it, and hopefully start trading cryptocurrencies that you can't necessarily access on a lot of these larger exchanges that's there, right? Not your keys, not your crypto. So if you have MetaMask, it's your crypto. Feel free to go ahead and check that out. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.